وعلم آدم الأسماء كلها ثم عرضهم على الملائكة فقال أنبئوني بأسماء هؤلاء إن كنتم صادقين.
Then Allah taught Adam the names of all things and presented them to the angels and said, "If you are right, that the appointment of a vicegerent will cause mischief, then tell me the names of these things."
قالوا سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم.
They said, "Glory to you, we have no knowledge except what you taught us. You, only you are all-knowing, all-wise."
قال يا آدم أنبئهم بأسمائهم فلما أنبأهم بأسمائهم قال ألم أقل لكم إني أعلم غيب السماوات والأرض وأعلم ما تبدون وما كنتم تكتمون.
Then Allah said to Adam, "Tell them the names of these things." And when he had told them the names of all things, Allah said, "Did I not say to you that I know everything about the heavens and the earth, which are beyond your range of knowledge? And I know all that you disclose, and also all that you hide."
وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ أَبَى وَاسْتَكْبَرَ وَكَانَ مِنَ الْكَافِرِينَ.
And when we ordered the angels, "Prostrate yourselves before Adam," all of them fell prostrate except Iblis. He refused and gloried in his arrogance and became one of the defiers.
وَقُلْنَا يَا آدَمُ اسْكُنْ أَنْتَ وَزَوْجُكَ الْجَنَّةَ وَكُلَا مِنْهَا رَغَدًا حَيْثُ شِئْتُمَا وَلَا تَقْرَبَا هَذِهِ الشَّجَرَةَ فَتَكُونَا مِنَ الظَّالِمِينَ.
And we said, "O Adam, live in the garden, you and your wife, and eat abundantly of whatever you wish, but do not approach this tree, or else you will be counted among the wrongdoers."